Thank you. Ankit Dubey, you are appearing for which interview, on which date, and what is your degree?
Sir, my interview is scheduled on 7th of November,
हाँ
and I
जी.
am appearing for RRB law officer.
ओह अच्छा, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. अपनी
Yeah.
लॉ ऑफिस,
Yes, sir.
आप लॉ ऑफिसर के लिए अपेयर कर रहे हैं. किधर आपको इंटरव्यू किधर होगा?
Yes, sir.
आप किस?
Sir, it is scheduled in Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
इंदौर मध्य प्रदेश. ओके, गुड. सो व्हाट इज यू,
Yes, sir.
shall we start?
No issue, sir. Yes, we can start,
Yeah,
sir.
please tell me briefly about yourself. I think I must have heard that day. फिर भी आप बता दीजिए आपका बारे में. Very important points which will make the interviewers appreciate that you are suitable for this post.
Yes, sir. So my name is Ankit Dubey. I am born and brought up in Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh, and I completed my schooling there as well. Then I shifted to Indore and completed my bachelor's of law in 2016. And on a same year, I got enrolled in a bar council of India. And from 2016 till date, I am doing I am in a legal profession and having an experience of 6.5 years.
Good. So you are a junior for which advocate?
Sir, your voice is
No, no.
I think there is a network glitch.
You are
Am
are
I
you
audible?
working? Are you working as a junior, or are you working as a senior person, or you are working under somebody?
Sir, initially I joined a law firm called Malpani Associates, which is a specified law firm for motor vehicle accidental claims, and I worked there for 2 years. Then after I switched to a corporate litigation, in which I independently handle the corporate litigation of pupils group of companies. And recently, I worked in a Brilliant Estate Limited, where I am working as a law officer, dealing with the litigation management as well as the contractual management.
Yeah. That means Brilliant State of Management is a lawyer company.
No, no, it is a real estate company, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा. आपका
Yes, sir.
काम क्या है जी उधर में? आपका काम काम चलता है,
Yes,
मेनली
sir.
क्या काम करते हैं? किससे आप बात करते हैं? किसको
जी,
बात में आप रिपोर्ट करते हैं?
जी. Sir, I am reporting to the chief law officer, and basically I am dealing with the court cases, which comes under the privy of litigation management. There are several kind of cases in under the Companies Act, under the civil laws, as well as some kind of criminal. Basically, on the base only for defamation cases I am dealing with. Some kinds of check bounces cases, which is under Section 38 of negotiable instrument. So I am dealing with that also.
Section 138.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that means you are working for a company who are selling land or building to people, and
Yes, sir.
right now you are dealing with cases of payments which have not been received properly.
Yes, sir.
That is one. Something else you said, that you are also dealing with defamation. What is
Yes, sir.
that case about?
Sir, it is a criminal defamation, because in some places or some issues have been handled that the clients are unreportedly means defame our company in somewhere in some places, or by the way of public newspaper. So these are the cases. Actually, in my previous company, we are handling a foreign direct investment (FDI). So our foreign investor are also compelling by the way of defaming us through the notices, or through the company cases, or filing a cases in a different jurisdiction. So these are the basic fundamental we had take it as a issues, and we file a criminal defamation
Ankit,
by alleging. Yes, sir.
Ankit Dubey,
Yes, sir.
normally the impression in the mind of a common public about real estate companies, about gold dealing companies are positive or negative.
Sir, sir, in a general preview, if we can say, the the reputed guru means real estate company have a good image among the public because they really build a trust over them. But the local contenders and the local builders have a means have a bad impact or have a bad effect in a real estate industry, sir.
Can you tell me the names of top real estate companies in India, otherwise in Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, sir, definitely. Sir, L&T is one of the top leading and means firm in a real estate business. Apart from that, DLF Infracity is also one of the best means real estate company. If you come in a Madhya Pradesh, Dilip Buildicom is one of the leading
What
real estate
what
company in
what
Madhya Pradesh, sir.
what is the Buildicom?
Dilip Buildicom, sir.
Dilip Buildicom. Okay.
Yes, he is a leading real estate company in Madhya Pradesh.
Acha.
Sorry,
You are working for which company?
I am working for Brilliant Estate Limited, sir.
Another one. Acha.
Yes, sir.
This com this company stands in which place?
Mm. Sir, actually, my company is basically have dealing with a commercial leasing to the foreign MNCs only.
Hmm,
So the role of my company is bit different from the actual real estate company, sir.
good.
Yes.
Now, are you not being paid well in this company? Why would you like to come to banking? Is the pay packet less for you? Are you getting less than 50,000, 60,000?
No, 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 sir, no, sir. I am right now currently getting a 7.5 LPA cost to company.
Mhm.
The reason to moving towards my bank that I already, sir, from the very beginning I am interested to go in a banking sector, and
What
I am
is
trying.
what is
Sorry,
your age, Ankit Dubey?
sir, I completed 29.
Why did you postpone joining bank for this many number of years?
Sir, this is a bit personal reason that I am not able to full-fledged means ready to go to the bank because as I am the
Fine,
elder one, I am the
fine.
elder.
What is your father?
Actually, sir, he is no more, sir. That is the only reason that I am the elder one, and I had to means continuously doing the job because of some
When
responsibilities and obligations.
when did you take up responsibility of the family? From which year?
Sir, in between my bachelor's degree only, sir. Means I started earning during my means college, uh, during my BLLB, sir.
Very nice. Good. Introduction is fine. Now, which courts are you appearing? What is the latest case you have done very well and won the case?
Sir, recently I have appeared before NCLT
Hmm.
and NCLT, NCLAT, and MP High Court also, sir.
Hmm.
The recent case which I have dealt with, and there is a bit favorable order in my favor that I have appeared before the NCLT uh, for the application of Section 90 subsection 7, which deals with a foreign investor borrowing, sir.
Now,
So there was.
please tell me something about Real Estate Act and Recently, there was a big company that went into problem in Delhi. Can you tell us about that reason? And about a few months back or so, there was a destruction of some buildings in Noida, two buildings. So, what is the things happening regarding real estate? What is the act that is governing investment of money in real estate in India?
Sir, there is a specific act introduced in in 2016, which is known as the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016, under which, as per your question, you asked about the recent buildings which has been demolished in Delhi. They are known as the Twin Tower of Delhi, and the issue of demolishing that buildings are that the builder has, without affirming to the RERA, without taking a permission from the various authority, they had builded a builded a, approx 28 floors of that multi, and they have only taken a permission of, I think, 10 floors, sir. So this and later on they have taken a money from the promoters and uh, as well as the investors, and by the intention of fraud, they stopped completing that project. So,
So, okay,
so
that is okay. What is the name of that company?
sir, I'm not able to recall. I'm so sorry, sir.
Name of that company doesn't matter. You have to know about it because this
Yes, sir.
subject is
I will take care.
very much relevant for you. Now,
Yes, sir.
there was one company known as DLFS or something like that. Is it doing well or is it in problem?
Sir,
DLFS.
DLF Infracity, I known about. It is doing good. I mean, it is in a sir, due to some investors issue. It is in a NCLT for a while, but there is uh, it is doing good, sir. Otherwise, it is doing good.
Okay. Now, before giving housing loan, what are the documents a banker will look into? And what will be your role as a law officer in the bank?
Sir, as a law officer in the bank, as the law officer is a bank law officer plays a vital role by creating a nexus between the legal department of the bank and the penal advocates of the bank. Apart from this, the law officer also deals with the compliances or basic compliances of the bank, which is required by either by the RBI or either by any of the statutory or the regulatory organizations. Coming to that, the document which is required for the housing loan, the basic document are required is a chain document, chain registry, title documents of the land, means house or the land. Apart from that, there are the NOCs, several kind of NOCs which has been issued either by the Nagar Nigam or by the TNCP, if the that house is in the preview of colony, then by the TNCP. Apart from that, there are the khasra number, there are the search report which says either of the 12 year or by the 30 year, so as per the requirement of the bank. So these are the basic document which is required before providing any kind of loan to the borrowers.
Hmm. Mm, good. Now, what do you know about Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, RBI is a regulatory body uh, instituted by the Act of RBI 1934. Uh, there are the RBI is dealing with the several functions such as uh, it is also known as a lenders of last resort. It
Hmm.
is a bankers bank. It also provide the assistance to the government in terms of in terms of loan or the government securities.
Mm.
And apart from that, the RBI also dealing with the supervision powers as well as the regulatory powers to dealing with the several entities under it, under the preview of it, sir.
What is the present state of our economy in respect of, say, real estate? Which part of the country real estate prices are going up heavily as per newspaper reports?
Sir, I can say it is means the prices are going up in one of the few states such as Karnataka
Ah,
and Maharashtra.
mm,
These are the two states that there is a actual means unprecedented hype is there in a real estate
exactly.
means industry.
Exactly. In Mumbai, the pricing has increased very much. It is fourth highest inflation. As far as
Yes,
I saw some report in the paper, please read about
yes.
that also. Very good.
I
You are
I will.
you are telling all the things relating to your field very nicely. You are remembering them nicely and you are telling, but only thing is something more about Real Estate Act. You please go through that. And also now supposing we are RRB is giving loan to borrow, I mean, for farmers, and they take as security the land of the farmer, and the
Yes, sir.
account becomes the NPA. How can we recover the advance? Can we sell the agricultural land? What is the procedure? What steps are to be taken by the bank?
Sir, in case of agricultural land, there is a specific provision under the SARFAISI Act that the banks do not have power to mean sale agricultural land, sir.
Mm,
First of all, sir, RRB provide agricultural loans in a two parameters.
mm,
The first parameter says that if the loans are provided below 1.6 lakh,
mm,
then it will be the collateral free.
mm,
So there is means no need of that. This is sole provided on the basis of credit only.
mm,
And apart from, if we go for a second parameter, the loan is provided more
mm.
than the 1.6 lakh, then the collateral is required and the RRBs goes for the lands as well as the other security from the farmer.
Excellent. You told this nicely. Very
Yes, sir.
happy. And are you willing to be posted in any of the main offices of our bank, or you are interested in the headquarters only?
No, no, sir. I am open to means relocate anywhere wherever the organization wants me.
Which
And
is your which is your first preference bank?
sir, my first preference will be the Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank, sir.
Who is the chairman of that?
Sir, the recently there is sir, just a minute, sir. I had to go to Madhya Pradesh Gramin Bank. The recently the chairman is Shri Sunil Sharma ji.
Which bank has sponsored it?
It is sponsored by sir Bank of India.
Very good. Now, I want you to go through about RRB capitalization. There has been some enactments that government has been trying to make, but they could not sail through that. उसमें क्या क्या काम कर रहे हैं? What is the
जी,
way they want to raise the capital? In fact, they
yes sir.
wanted the bank RRBs to be listed in stock exchanges also. उसको क्या हो रहा है? That steps and all, you please prepare yourself well. I'm sure you will do your interview very well and succeed. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. I just sir, I need your
About
guidance.
no, no, now you have to know only about capitalization of RRBs, then
Yes, sir.
Real Estate Act details about that, and
Yes, sir.
then about realization of NPA, for
Yes, sir.
RRBs, this type of steps and all, you please prepare yourself deeply. I think you can manage any interview nicely because you have practical experience in the court.
Thank you so much, sir.
Who is the Chief Justice of India?
Sir, right now it is D.Y. Chandrachud, sir. Shri,
Who is the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh?
sir, the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh is Hemant Verma. Shri Hemant Verma, sir. Just a minute.
What is the what are the latest decisions of Supreme Court? You don't have to tell me. Prepare. What are the latest important decisions of Supreme Court? What
Yes,
are
sir.
the latest decisions of Madhya Pradesh Court? ये दोनों
Yes,
को
sir.
prepare कर दीजिए.
Ji.
Your interview will go really well. Best wishes. God bless
Thank you.
you. Please
Thank you so
attend
much.
the interview and send the questions as others have asked. And of
Def-
course, you have to go through the regular acts like, say, Negotiable Instruments Act,
yes,
then
sir.
Transfer of Property Act, वगैरह वगैरह ये सब
Yes.
prepare कर दीजिए. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.